Hello and welcome back to the Pinky Link channel. Today I have an unboxing video. So I ordered an art sign from Djamila over on Instagram, and I recently discovered her about 3 months ago, I think, 3 or 4 months ago, and I completely fell in love with her style. If you like manga slash realistic style, she has a style that could be described as that, kind of like a merge of those two. If you've seen Studio Ghibli movies and how they do backgrounds, her art is very similar. So if you like that kind of style, you'll definitely like her. So I am opening this for you guys on camera because I really like her art. I think she's a great artist. She's very talented, and I think more people should know about her. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So funny enough thing is, when I came to pick up this box from the post office, they actually ended up giving me the wrong box. So yesterday I had to go back to the post office and get the correct one because they had given me somebody else's package. So I finally got it today and I'm really excited to see it, to open this. It's really nicely packaged from what I can tell, so I don't think the book will be damaged at all, hopefully. Ooh. So this is what it looks like when you first see it. This was stuck on. I'm just gonna take it off and show it to you. It's a little bird. I'm not sure what kind it is, but you can see it. It's very cute. Yeah, this is her, I can't remember the name, but this is her card, her business card. It's beautiful. It's her profile on her picture. So this is a look at what her kind of art style is like. This, I think this is like a sticker or something. And so this is again the same face. I think I'm only going to show you a couple of pages just because I know that maybe she doesn't want somebody showing all the pages to the internet. So I will just show a couple so that if you're interested, I don't know if she has any more copies, but I'll just show you. So that's what it looks like on the front. It has a girl with cranes, and then on the back it's solid black with a crane on it. So as you can see her style. I just adore it. So I got another angle here. So the first page is a bird, and it's the same bird as the little card sticker thingy. That's the first page. And this is the second one. Wow, that is so beautiful. I love the way she does faces. They're very expressive, very beautiful. And then here's the second page. She also does backgrounds very well, textures. Of course, this is a black and white sign, so you can't really see what she does with color, but she does really well with color. So yeah. Ooh, I love this one. She posted this on her Instagram. I'll link all her social media. I think she only has Instagram and Patreon, so definitely go check it out. If there's still some of these left, you guys can definitely go and try to grab one of those. So I'm going to show one more page. So that's the last page. So yeah, that was this book that I got from Djamila. And thank you for watching.